Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we're going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduates, mechatronics graduate and production graduates. So let us go into the video. The name of the company is Bonfi, oh, sorry, Bonfiglioli Pooled Campus Drive. So the company name is not coming the correct pronunciation. So kindly make a excuse. So they will be giving a salary of 33,333 per month, and it's a best job. So company name is Bonfiglioli, and regarding the company, they are Italian company with a good global presence. So they mainly focus on industrial automation, mobile machinery, and wind energy, and they also focus on discrete manufacturing and process industry and robotics. So its designation will be training, education qualification BE BTech engineers can apply. Role will be a permanent one. Years of experience freshers can apply, and job location will be in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and salary as per the company norms. So it's a best job for future and getting a high salary. So the company is now conducting a walk-in interview on 6th to 4 2023, that is 2 days later on. So data venue will be Knowledge Institute of Technology Salem. So in this college they are conducting offline campus. So eligibility is you need to be having a BE in mechanical production and mechatronics, and 2023 pass out students can apply. You will be getting a salary of 4 lakh per annum. So this is the advertisement PDF. So regarding the college and placement they have given here. So if you are willing means you can directly go there for an walk-in interview on 6th 4 2023. So it's a open one, and registration link will be given in the description. I provide all the information and instruction and description. Kindly go through it carefully, step by step, and apply for the job. If you like this video means put a like and share the video to all mechanical mechatronics and production people. They'll be making the best use of it. It's a off campus drive, and date is on 6/4/2023. Stay tuned with Mechanical Motivator. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.